Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get mouse highlighter for Windows PC. It is totally free and you can use it for Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11 PCs. In this tutorial, I'm using Windows 11 computer. So let us go and see how to get it. For that, just go to this Google Drive location. I saved the cursor highlighter program on this location. You can find it on video description, and just go to this location. There you can find the cursor highlighter 2.2.hk file. Click on download. Now you can see the cursor highlighter program is downloaded. Just go to the folder. There you can see cursor highlighter 2.2.hk file. If you try to open, you cannot open it because it need auto hotkey to run it. So for that, just go to autohotkey.com website and click on download. Click on download current version. Now the auto hotkey is downloaded. Click on install. Click on express installation. Now the auto hotkey setup is installed. Click on exit. After that, go to the folder again and try to open the highlighter program. Click yes. Now you can see the mouse pointer is highlighted. Also you can see the highlighter on your taskbar. Now let us see the mouse highlighter settings. For that, just right click on cursor highlighter on taskbar, click on settings. It will open cursor highlighter options. Under general option, you can see type of cursor when you start the program. There is 3 options: color highlight, picture file, focus. If you select picture file, it will show the picture you selected, and if you select focus, cursor will focus on that area. Under highlight settings, you can change the width and height and opacity and color for the cursor. Under highlight left click, you can manage your mouse left click actions. There are also 3 options. You can choose whatever you like. And third option, you can choose different highlight color. Also you can change the color from here. Also you can change the width and height and opacity. Now if you click, you can see the color changes over there. Under highlight right click, you can manage right click actions. There are also 3 options. You can choose whatever you like. The third option, you can choose different color for right click action. Also you can change width and height and opacity for the right click action. Now if you right click, you can see the color changes. Under picture settings, you can change picture file for the cursor. Under focus settings, you can change cursor focus. Under hotkeys, you can change keyboard shortcut. For exit the cursor highlighter, just right click on the highlighter on taskbar and click on exit cursor highlighter. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.